Hello everyone! Today we will going to prepare regular popcorns in microwave, the easiest way. What you need? This type of bowl and this type. And the goal of this is this to put onto this. So let's start. Put the popcorns inside. Don't fill too much. Oil, salt, mix a little, and that's all. Put another bowl on top of it and put it in the microwave. Put your microwave on max for about 4 to 5 minutes depending on the power of the microwave, or you should stop when you hear stop popping of the popcorns. See you in a minute. The popcorns have started to pop. I forgot to mention, bowls must be ceramic or something that can be used inside the microwave. Now it's end. One moment, please. Here you are. Enjoy your popcorns, subscribe and like my video if you like this meal. Have a nice day.